guys, this is duck curry. Done with potatoes, all the good stuff in here. Meat is nice and loosey, as you can see. Very delicious duck curry. We let it cook. We had seasoned this meat before and let it sit in the fridge. Today's Boxing Day. We let it sit overnight. Today we take it out and we start cooking it. If you want the full recipe of it, check out Vish Cooking with Vish and Nalini, and you will see the full recipe and the full works of it. It's an amazing duck curry. Hey guys, check it out. One love y'all. Please support the channel. This is Cooking with Vish and Nalini. We have a lot more recipe. If you want something to cook, let us know. Bring it. Inbox us on the page. This will be on the page also. It will also be a short video. Let us know. This is Cooking with Vish and Nalini. So if you guys want something to cook, let us know. We'll cook it for you guys 100%. No problems about it. We're true Guyanese. We love to cook. Let us know. Put it in the comment. Nalini loves to cook. She's kind of shy. But she could cook anything.
Okay.
Yeah, as y'all know. And you can see. And all my friends, thank you guys for supporting this channel. I love all of you guys. I love all the members of Guyana Food and Recipe. One love. It's a new year, so you guys stay safe. Stay out of trouble. Put on the mask. Corona is around and all the virus and stuff like that. We all love you. You guys take care. Enjoy the holiday. Hopefully we're gonna get a blessed and a different new year.
Okay. Peace out.
Peace out.